Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So the International Football Association Board isiphume nombiko ke labafethu regarding imithetho yebhola. Le mithetho yebhola izoqala isetshenziswe next season. Remember ke le association le iyona yakha imithetho eminingi yebhola esiyibonayo currently. Ibona abantu abafika ne-VAR, ibona abantu abafika nemithetho nje ekhona yabo kuyibhola elidlalwayo nje kamanje. So kuthiwa ke next season kunemithetho emisha efikile izosetshenziswa iyo yonke i-association, iyo yonke kahle kahle i-league ekhona la emhlabeni. Le mithetho lo injani na? Kuthiwa abadlali uma bekhavarisha umlomo, yabo, bekhuluma kanje, yabo, nini babone abadlali sengayishaya ivideo before ngikhuluma abadlali ukuthi ke basuke benzani abadlali masibethi kanje, yabo. Kuthiwa leyo nto ayisavumelekile. Kuthiwa players covering their mouth during confrontations with opponents, there is a serious sanction for players nama-club. Ama-club ke kumele abatshele abadlali ukuthi ke akumele bebekhuluma kanje, leyo nto leyo ayivumelekile. I think leyo nto ibuya kwini now. If you remember igame eyayidlalwa iBenfica versus iReal Madrid, kwaba necase enkulu kakhulu lapho khona sibona umdlali weBenfica ngokusho kwaVinicius Junior ukuthi ke washo izinto ezingekho right, yabo, washo izinto ezingekho right ke emthuka umjida, kodwa ke wathi kanje ngejezi wayifihla umlomo cause efuna engabonwa amakhamera. So umdlali mezothi kanje akuvumelekile ukuthi ke wenziwe lokho. Umdlali ke webhola nawe kumele kufake emqondweni lo ukuthi ke akumele ukhulume nomdlali kanje, kumele ukhulume nomdlali live nibukana, yabo. I think lo mthetho lo uqhamuka lapho because there was a huge case regarding that situation. And another rule engiyibonile bafethu kuthiwa abadlali uma bephuma egroundini, kuthiwa players leaving the field in protest of a referee's decision, lokho akuvumelekile, yicala lelo, serious sanctions for players and ama-club. Remember ke i-AFCON final versus iSenegal versus iMorocco kwakuyifinal leyo eyayibuka umhlaba wonke jikelele. iSenegal yaphuma emidlalweni every media news outlet yayikhuluma ngaleya ndaba leya, ngalento eyenziwa iSenegal, into yeqala ukuthi ke yenziwe. Akuvumelekile ukuthi ke kwenziwe lokho, umthetho loyo obekiwe akuvumelekile kwenziwe lokho. Once waphuma nje egroundini, there are sanctions for i-club and management. So ngangitshela ama-comments, how do you feel regarding le mithetho le ekhishiwe bafethu, ekhishwe i-International Football Association Board? Ingabo oref bala South Africa bazoyilandela? I don't think oref bala South Africa bayilandele imithetho eyayikhishwe, yabo. Even nale mithetho lo ukuthi ke kukhahlelwe ibhola ngaphandle, hlezi ngiyibona le e-USA no se-USA le ko-Premier League bethola ama-yellow card, but ke la abadlali mabekhahlela ibhola abawathola ama-yellow card, bayakhulunywa nje nabo. But ke, do you think le mithetho le kumele ibe effective, kumele si-adopte inathi la kwi-Betway Premiership?